Spacer pushes the wheels outward, giving your bolt exhaust wheel a more aggressive stance. Widening the track width reduces body roll, making your bolt exhaust wheel more stable. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design. Feature unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS Ford spacers are crafted from 7075-T6, 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS Ford spacers are made from high-grade aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. BONOSS Ford spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit.
These BONOSS Ford active cooling hub-centric spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Upgrading your bolt exhaust wheel with BONOSS Ford spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selections and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS Ford spacers, please leave your comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.